It is January 10th today, and it is 22 minutes to 4 o'clock. Hope the wind doesn't produce too much noise in the camera. But we got Urban Barn, Carter's, Oshkosh, Babies and Kids, Mana, got Mark's Work Warehouse, gonna get out of the sun here, that'll be better. Marble Slab Creamery, ATB Financial, Cineplex Odeon. This is West Hills Shopping Mall in Calgary. I'm getting in the sun again there. Trying to keep out of the wind as much as possible too. Yeah, this is the first video I've done in a while now because it was so cold the last couple of weeks, so it just wasn't feasible to go out and do any videos. So now today it's up to 6 degrees, which is really great for what we've been having there. We're down below minus 18 for the last couple of weeks. Got Best Buy. Got Rona. Petland. Got lots of fish in there and birds. And small rodents like hamsters. Play It Again Sports. Cineplex Odeon again. Focus West. Down. Cars are very dirty. See, all the cars are very dirty now because all the melting snow and ice. So you got lots of window washer fluid to get around the city now. Boardwalk building. Oh, let's go over this way. M&M Meats, food market. Just got some meatloaf in there on sale. Skosh. Just cut through here. kind of the center court of the mall. The Christmas store. Mini Nails and Spa Lounge. The UPS store. Nice area to sit down in the summertime when it's warmer out to relax. People on their breaks, or employees, whatever, or customers want to take a little bit of a break. A Telus store. Won't be anybody in the playground for a while, I don't think. You can see it, not even any footprints in there, so it hasn't been used for a while. Sole to Sole footwear. Crimson. Aldora. Cloud's Bread. Denon and Smith's barbershops. Looking back to where I just came from. The Roger store. Joy Drop. West Hills Alterations. Shoppers Drug Mart. Yeah, this shopping center was built back in the 90s, so it's been around for, I think, about 30 years now. I think it's had some upgrades done to it since it was built, but it was way at the edge of the city there when they first built it. Now the city goes way past here. Now we got Safeway. West Hills X-ray and ultrasound. Got Starbucks. I'll just walk over here. Nice Chinook arch in the sky today, so we get weather like this. You see a blue sky and the clouds, you know we got a Chinook. And it's usually because it's associated with mountains so close to Calgary. Got a National. Not too sure what that is, if it's a restaurant or a store or what it is. Got KFC. Earl's Restaurant. Yeah, in the past they've had for Stampede Week one day they have a free breakfast there, so it's a popular event there. They do a lot of free breakfasts around the city during Stampede Week. Boardwalk. Those are some low rental high-rise apartments. Another one over there by the gas bar. Well, I think I'm going to wrap up this video because I pretty well covered it all, so I'm just going to head back the other way. So you guys have a great day. Bye for now.